Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have KZ AST Earphone 12 be a unique high-fidelity bass monitor earphone and exciting to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Link in the description for this amazing headphones with noise cancellation. Alright, let's talk specs. Rigorous quality requires the precision of the air shell to reach plus or minus 0.03. Just to create more professional products. Precise craftsmanship makes the earphone shell smoother, does not cut hands, and is more comfortable in the ear. The production level is beyond the reach of ordinary earphones. Streamlined surface made of zinc alloy. The zinc alloy material is polished by 5-axis CNC and polished by professional craftsmen, making the surface cover streamlined curved surface full of sense of technology. Re-establish industry standards. The combination of 12 balanced armature units on one side and detailed acoustic adjustment make the human voice rich, soft, and not harsh. And the high frequency is smooth and natural, bringing out superior sound quality. Tolerance of unique curve industry standard versus tolerance of unique curve KZ standard. High frequency matrix balanced armature combination. The earphone is equipped with a high frequency matrix balanced armature combination designed and developed independently. Significantly improve high-frequency performance and show various details in music. Smaller size and ergonomic design, suitable for diversified wearing scenarios. The contour curve of the earphone conforms to the shape of the human ear cochlear. It is matched with soft silicone earplug and ear hook design, which can be worn for a long time. To pin pluggable design. The 0.75 to 0.78 mm gold-plated pin insert and pull structure independently developed expands more usage ways to meet individual needs through replacement and upgrading of cables. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.